Options are known for being very volatile and can turn a small account into a big account very quickly, or it can destroy it and turn it to zero. Some might say options are glorified gambling, me maybe being one of them, but this is week 3 of the $100 option trading challenge, where I started my account with $100 and now I'm here. So at the end of week 2, this is what my account finished at, $275 and change. And we're going to go over what happened during week 3. I did not get to post a week 3 video because I was away, so I'm going to do that now. And then the majority of this video is going to be week 4, my day-by-day play format that I've been doing for the other videos. So let's get started with week 3 first. So like I said in my last video, I wasn't going to be doing a lot of trades during week 3. So I had the Ford option that I was up about $6 going into week 3, and that was it. So basically what happened is the Ford option ended up going down $7 in week 3. I sold on Tuesday or Wednesday, and basically just lost all the profit from that. So I finished at a negative $1 total for that Ford option, and then I bought a charge point option that lost me $16, which was not great. So in total, I lost $23 of account value in week 3, which sucks because I couldn't really manage it well, and I probably wasn't putting my best effort into doing that because I was on vacation. But it is now week 4, so let's try to bring that account back from the dead. One thing I did do during week 3 that I want to mention is I changed my account to a cash account. This is because in a cash account on Robinhood, you are not restricted to the 3-day trades every 5 business days. So this gives me a little bit more flexibility in the account to buy and sell shares and not have to worry about exceeding that 3-day trade limit. Other than that, let's get into week 4. Alright, so it is day 1 and I'm already making moves. Now that I can do day trades freely with the cash account, I feel a lot more confident making more trades. So I'm started off with 3 different call options. The first call option was a Dish call for $7.50. Then I got a Fubo call for $2.50 and ended with a Mattel call at $21.50. Right now they are all performing badly. The Dish call at around -$10 to -$11. The Fubo call is teetering between -$1 and +$1. And the Mattel call is at about -$5-ish. So not great for all of them. But if any of them get to -$20, I'm just cutting my losses and selling. Especially after a bad week last week. Being -$16 right now is not a great look for me. So for the rest of the day, I'm just going to monitor these trades. Once again, -$20, I'm selling. I really have not been in good momentum lately as of last week. So not great, but we'll see. I'll let you know what happens at the end of the day today. Alright, so to the end of day 1, and it is not looking good, to be honest. There is a sliver of hope, but it is not looking good. So the Mattel stock, I lost $25 on. I think I just forgot to sell it at 20 and sold it a little lower. And then, you know, when you sell the bid-ask price, you might lose a couple extra bucks. Same goes with Dish, -$21 on the day. I sold that. Sucks, because that's just losing money. But the Fubo call is doing very well at +$29. So I'm still holding that. I'm going to hold it into Tuesday morning, potentially longer. But if it is a good jump on Tuesday morning, I will just sell that, and hopefully that can cancel out the Mattel and Dish calls. And that just means for the day I'm down $17, which is not good coming off a negative week. But that Fubo call gives us a sliver of hope. Now, I am, like I said before, in the cash account now, so I don't get my money back when I sell a call instantly. So I don't know how long that's going to take. So I still have $60 if I want to make a play tomorrow, but I'm not sure about that yet. I'm also going to be out for most of tomorrow, so I can definitely check on the Fubo call and sell if I think it's at a good price, but I don't know about entering a new position. If I do, it'll only be one, and it'll probably be at the end of the day. But tomorrow could be a slow day unless I can sell the Fubo call for good profit. Alright, so it is the end of day 2. I'm filming this later than I normally do because I was busy today. And because I was busy today, I wasn't paying attention to the market as much, so I didn't make any trades. I didn't sell the forward call, although I probably should have. I should have just tanked the $6 loss for today and taken that profit, because I really don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So that's probably my biggest concern. Hopefully it can at least not lose money tomorrow, and I could just sell it for a good 30-something% profit. And then tomorrow, hopefully I can make some more trades. The account is not looking good right now. We're down $23 total for the week, $6 today. Here are all the results for today. And that's pretty much it. I didn't do much today, so let's go on to day 3. It is the end of day 3. I didn't do any morning video because there was nothing to talk about in the morning, but today was awful. I should have sold the Fubo call yesterday and just tanked that $6 loss like I was meaning to do, but I didn't do, and it went down $26 today, so I ended with $0 profit, $0 loss total on a call that was up $30 at one point. So that really sucks. And then I bought 2 more calls today. The first one is a call for Palantir that expires this Friday, but I ended up selling it for a $6 profit, so that is all right. And then there is the Carnival Cruise that expires on the 11th of August for $17.50. And I'm still holding that, and it is down currently $3. So my plan is trying to just hold this until it makes some profit, and then just selling for a little profit, because the account is really not looking good right now. I don't think we're gonna finish in profit this week, unfortunately, which sucks coming after last week, which I did not have any profit either. Here are all the results for now for day 3. That's pretty much it for today. Let's just go on to day 4. It is the beginning of day 4, and the market started hot. I have the screen recording of the market opening going on screen for you, so you could see kind of what my first moves were. Instantly, the Carnival contract went down in price because I don't really know why, but it just went down in price, and I just sold it at a negative $16 loss just to get rid of it because it was basically dead weight, or so I thought. And then I bought 2 new options. Today I bought a Beyond Meat contract. I bought 2 call options for that expiring Friday for $15.50, and I bought a Gap contract that I'm about to sell because it's down about 20%, which is only $5. And the Beyond contract is doing very well. It is up about $20-ish. It's been going up pretty well. And then the Gap contract is just holding me down. So, all right, I just sold the Gap contract because it started going down quickly while I was filming this, and I just noticed it on my computer. So that's annoying, but I lost $7 on that, or probably more because of whatever, when you sell it, lose a couple extra dollars. But the Beyond Meat contract is still good at like plus $23 right now. So hopefully I could sell that at over plus $20 and end the day off not too bad, even though I've already lost like $20-something from the Carnival and the Gap contract. I'll update you at the end of the day. We'll see what happens. End of day 4, and it turned around absolutely horribly. The day was terrible. Finished at negative $29. Couldn't have gone worse, really. I just made every single wrong move today. So I'll go over the Beyond Meat contracts first, which were up like what, $30+ when I made the last update. They were up $41 at one point, and they went down to like $9. My account went under $200, so I just wanted to sell and not risk losing any more. So I was trying to sell at plus $9, but because of bid-ask prices, I guess, and whatever, trying to sell quickly, you lose more money. So I only ended up profiting $2 on the Beyond Meat contracts, which is awful. The Carnival Cruise contract that I sold ended up losing me $20 total, and the Gap contract that I was only willing to lose $5 on ended up losing me $11 because it kind of crashed when I was making the last update, and then the bid-ask price also made me lose a couple more dollars selling it. So yeah, that sucked. So I know that is day 4 and there's still Friday, but I'm not doing anything Friday. This is the last day for the challenge, for the month-long challenge I've been doing, because I'm kind of like done with options at this point. It's got me too stressed out over not really a lot of money, so I'm going to put a pause on this option challenge, or I would say it's an end to the $100 option challenge. I'm still going to use options in investing. I'm definitely make some more option videos in the future, but doing this options every day for the last couple weeks, I don't really want to do. I don't want to continue that because I'm about to be more busy, so I won't be able to do it anyway. So overall, we finished the total challenge at plus $81 since I started, which is not good considering the first week I was at plus $130. So I would say the challenge as a whole was not a fail, technically, but I think I failed because I'm doing so poorly after the first week. Here are this week's results written out because this is the last day for this week. And here are the total results for the whole challenge, about a month long, which is not bad, but could have been way better. I think this really shows how a couple bad beats in a row can destroy a small account. So I'm just going to take this profit I made and just start buying some growth stocks that aren't going to be as volatile because the volatility stresses me out too much, so it's not worth it. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you want to check out the rest of the videos, if you haven't seen them already, here's a playlist for that. And here's a video of mine suggested by YouTube, so you can check that out. But if that's all for today, peace.